Welcome to SGT Times Explainer. I am Ishita Hota. Today we will discuss who was Fathima Beevi, India's first female Supreme Court judge. Justice M. Fathima Beevi passed away at the age of 96 at a private hospital in Kerala's Kollam. In 1989, she cracked the glass ceiling by becoming the first woman judge of a top court in Asia, not just India. India has lost its first female Supreme Court justice. According to reports, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan expressed condolence over her death and noted how her life was an unforgettable symbol in the history of women's advancement in the state. In a statement, Kerala's Health Minister Veena George said, Justice Beevi was a brave woman who set several milestones. She was a personality who showed through her own life that willpower and a sense of purpose can overcome any adversity. What was the identity of Justice Fathima Beevi? In her career, Justice M. Fathima Beevi broke glass ceiling and acted as a role model for women. She graduated in chemistry from Women's College in Thiruvananthapuram after being born in Kerala's Pathanamthitta in 1927. According to reports, her father, a government employee, pushed her to pursue law, so Beevi enrolled at the Government Law College in Trivandrum. She was one of just 5 female students in her class at that time. She cleared the Bar Council test in 1950, becoming the first woman to get a gold medal from the Bar Council. Beevi began her legal career in the lower judiciary in Kollam. Because she was a woman in a male-dominated atmosphere, she received questioning glances and even censure in court. At the time, judicial service was more appealing than practice. Women was not encouraged by general public and very few succeeded as lawyers. She explained, after being appointed as a Munsif in the Kerala Subordinate Judicial Services in 1958, she progressively extended the ranks and was elevated to subordinate judge a decade later. She was appointed Chief Judicial Magistrate in 1972 and District and Session Judge 2 years later. After serving in the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, she was appointed to the Kerala High Court as a judge in 1983. According to reports, she has become the first Muslim woman in the higher judiciary. She was appointed to the Supreme Court in 1989, making her the first Asian woman to hold that position. In an interview, she famously claimed of these watershed events, "I opened a closed door." When asked if she thought the Indian court was patriarchal in 2016, Justice Beevi said, "Absolutely, without a doubt. There are a lot of women out there now, both at the bar and on the bench. Their participation, however, is limited. Their representation is unequal to the males. There is a historical explanation for this. Women arrived late on the pitch. Equal representation for women at court will take time. In my first year of law school, there were just 5 other female students in my class. In the second year, the number was reduced to 2 or 3. Today, we have a significant proportion of female students at legal school. Throughout her career, she received several honors, including Mahila Shiromani Award in 1990, the Bharat Jyoti Award, and the US-India Business Council Lifetime Achievement Award. She joined the National Human Rights Commission after retiring from the Supreme Court in 1992. Justice Beevi was appointed Governor of Tamil Nadu in 1997. The then President Shankar Dayal Sharma stated upon her nomination that her experience and insights in the working of the Constitution and the law comprise valuable assets. During her governorship, she supported J. Jayalalitha's selections as Tamil Nadu Chief Minister in 2001, causing a significant uproar. Beevi supported for the AIADMK leaders come after she was convicted for corruption and barred from running for office of 6 years in a land fraud case. According to sources, Fathima Beevi resigned as governor in July 2001 when the Union cabinet chose to recall her for failing to execute her constitutional responsibilities following the arrest of former Tamil Nadu CM M. Karunanidhi and 2 union ministers. Beevi returned to her ancestral home in Panamitta after leaving the Raj Bhavan and lived in relative seclusion according to the sources. That brings us to the end of SGT Times Explainer. Thanks for watching.